Hey guys, welcome back to another Cara's Cakes vlog. This week has been a little hectic. Normally I start my vlogs on Monday, but it's actually Friday right now. I have a few more orders this weekend, so I will be busy all weekend, but today is actually my first day of vacation from my real job. Saturday the 12th is my birthday, so I originally just asked for the 11th off of work, but then I realized I have a lot of vacation and I might as well just take the time. I need a little bit of a break from that place. So I asked for 2 more days. So I ended up having a full 10-day stretch off, which is really nice. And I didn't take many cake orders during that time purposely because I just want to take a break. Not that I take many cake orders, but I just want to have a little rest. And that being said, someone at work was like, what are your plans for your days off? And I was like, well, I have a lot to do around the house. Like I have a list of things I have to do. And she's like, well, what are you gonna do that's fun? And I was like, I don't know. I was like, I don't know, I'll go somewhere with the dog and Jameis and I will go somewhere, but I just want to relax. I don't really need to go do anything fun. My friend Jenna is actually due to have her baby soon. Her due date is actually tomorrow, but the doctor said that she's probably going to go over her due date. But me and Jenna and my other friend Megan may have a bonfire, so that'll be fun. So today I have to bake some cupcakes. I do have an appointment at 11, and then probably finish up those cupcakes. I may do a couple vlog videos while I'm on vacation because it might be a little bit more interesting, so keep an eye out for those. I don't know if I'll do like any main videos that are like very set up and planned because I just want to relax on my vacation, but me relaxing is not really relaxing, so we'll see what we get up to. Okay, so change of plans. It's almost, I measured all the ingredients out and I realized that I didn't have any milk. Seamus must have drank all the milk with cereal. So I have to go to the grocery store after my appointment and then I will bake the cakes after. I was gonna do the red velvet, but that takes longer to do. And now it's a little after 10 o'clock and I have to go for my appointment soon. So I'm just gonna get ready for my appointment and then I'll catch up with you later. Okay, so I just finished up at my appointment and I got some lunch at Wendy's for my mom and my sister. So I'm gonna have lunch and then I have to run to the grocery store after to get milk and then I will get back to baking. And I'm on vacation. Keep reminding myself that. So I'm just gonna take it easy, relax. So I'm just on the way home now. I'm gonna run into my baking. I'm gonna make chocolate cupcakes and red velvet cupcakes. I'm gonna feed Chip and take him for a walk. Hey guys, it's Saturday. As you saw, I just went for a walk with Chip and then I cleaned the whole kitchen and I'm getting ready to decorate some cupcakes, but I have the cupcakes here from last night that you would have already seen. They are getting picked up at 11. And then the rest of these are getting picked up tomorrow, but I'm getting them done today. So I'm just gonna turn the camera around and show you. So I have all the cupcakes ready. These are wedding testers. I just have them in the box ready for icing. And this is gonna be all vanilla cupcakes for a baby shower, and I'm gonna get all of those in the boxes, and then I'm gonna make some buttercream. Okay, so I forgot to film decorating these, but these are the wedding testers. Chocolate with vanilla buttercream. This is red velvet with cream cheese buttercream. Oreo with Oreo buttercream. And then this is lemon blueberry with vanilla buttercream with blueberries on top. So this is what they asked for in their wedding testers, and they are gonna pick them up tomorrow morning, I think. So I have these ready to go. Okay guys, so I finished up all the cake sickles and I decorated all the cupcakes. They're over there. These are extras that I'm gonna try and sell. But the cake sickles are all done. Now I'm gonna leave them here. I have to run out and get some like yard chairs. We had some chairs last year, but they weren't like the ones that lean back. Like, you know, like the Adirondack chairs? They weren't those. They were like, I don't know, like regular patio chairs that were kind of stiff. So I think we gave those to Seamus's sister last year, but I'm gonna go out and get some for around the fire because Megan and Jenna, my friends, are coming over to have a bonfire tonight. So we're gonna do that, and I got some s'more stuff, and I might get some other snacks when I'm out. I have to run to my parents. I'm gonna steal some firewood from them. My parents like heat their house with wood, so they have lots of wood, and I'm gonna go steal some. So Dad said it was okay. I'm not really stealing. All right, so Seamus is mowing the lawn. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to fit all the chairs in my car. So I might try and take Seamus's truck, unsure. Okay guys, we got the campfire set up. Right below. What do you think of these chairs?
Oh, not bad.
I think they're comfortable.
Oh, the other ones were the fire, right?
Yeah.
It's a clutch fire. That might have been the easiest fire to start. I guess because everything was dry.
Mm-hmm.
The grass doesn't look that bad, eh? Like, it actually looks better when it's cut, eh? This?
Yeah, like, it looks really patchy, but...
Oh, yeah, I know.
Hi, Jeff. Hi, Jeffo. Hey guys, it's Sunday. Yesterday I forgot to film anything when the girls were actually here, and I don't think that they would want to be on YouTube anyways, but so we were out at the fire last night until pretty late, and then they went home, I went to bed, and I literally woke up at 8:30 this morning, and I don't normally stay in bed that long. So I'm up now, and Seamus took the dog for a walk, and I'm gonna clean up a little bit. I have to vacuum, and then someone's picking up one of their orders at 10, and then later on I'm meeting somebody for an order at 1:30. It's also Sunday, so I should be putting this video up, but I think I'm gonna keep filming, save this video footage for Wednesday. I'm on vacation, so I think I'm gonna take a little bit of a break. But if you enjoyed this vlog style video, give it a big thumbs up. Scroll down to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any new videos from me. Thanks so much for watching.